Oh, that's cold. Canard Penis here.
It's Canard Penis right here, guys. Ready? This is Canard Penis. He's ready for action with his triangle cow next to the sex cow, next to the, oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Look at that shirt. Get that shirt. Look at that. How good does that look?
For a second, I kind of thought that was you, and then I realized you were standing there.
Well, tonight we're at Tilted Kilt.
Hey, boo.
This is Brett.
Hey, what are we doing after this? Can we shoot in the garage?
Eating.
Can we shoot in the garage?
I need to eat.
Okay.
I'm mucho hungrio.
Agreed. Let's get food.
Yeah, no, we definitely need food. I'm so hungry.
Can we shoot after this though? Because this kid wants to shoot too.
I think they're over there.
Rev it. It's good, it's good.
Give me rev it.
Oh, who else?
Okay, ask him to rev
The
it.
Supra?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna see how many
Daddy
people
rev
we
it.
could get to rev it.
Run.
Rev it. Rev it. Do it. Do it for the vlog. A little rev.
Two-step.
Two-step.
Do it.
A little two-step. Hell yeah. How many cars is that? Supposed to be with me on this. I gotta see how many cars we could get to rev.
Rev it.
We're at like 3.
Make it
Go
rev
Chris,
it.
go Chris, go Chris, go. Go, go, go. Run. Alright, here we go, here we go. Rev it. A little rev. Rev it, rev it. Do it.
Rev it.
No, do it. You gotta do it. Yeah.
That's 3.
We're gonna get kicked out. Making everyone.
We're gonna get kicked out.
We're the ones that are gonna get in trouble because we're telling everyone to do it.
Fuck it.
Rev it.
Rev it.
Rev it.
Rev it.
Rev it. Okay. That's good. I think that's 5 or 6. Oh, Miata's doing it. Yeah. Okay.
I think we might make someone blow their engine tonight.
Should we try before the rev battle even
I
starts?
think that's the goal.
All right.
You think Chris will get mad at us?
Chris. What? We're trying something new.
On a scale of 1 to kick us the fuck out, how mad would you do?
We're trying to.
Everyone rev, like we just made everyone rev on the way in and out, and someone blew their engine.
That's fine.
Okay, cool.
We're just seeing how many
burnouts.
We're just seeing how many people would rev it.
No burnout.
No burnout.
I swear to God, if someone does a burnout here, I'm gonna come smash that camera.
Okay, I have proof of that, so.
I have proof.
We have proof.
Someone do a burnout, please.
No.
Get you a free camera.
Okay, now I have proof of you saying it.
Get you a free camera.
Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Okay, you can stop, thank you.
That man's the real MVP.
That's
though.
like
we didn't
9,
even have to
yeah.
ask him.
He just knew what to do.
He knew what was up.
Alright, you think this Jeep can rev it?
Rev it.
Hey, rev it!
Rev it.
You gotta
Do
rev it. You gotta rev it.
Everyone is coming
Yeah,
after
you
you.
have to
Rev
do
it.
it. Hell yeah.
Head back.
Look at this truck. This thing is huge.
He's doing a time lapse.
Who? Oh, what? Look how big this truck is. Hey, rev it! Rev it!
Rev it. Do it. Rev it. Rev it.
Oh, no burnouts! No burnouts!
Hey, it's okay. He's got high performance clutch, man. My bad. Look how tight he is.
Sorry. Sorry, Chris.
My bad.
No, we said burn. We said rev
I
it.
said rev it. The man's gonna have
Sorry.
high blood
Yeah,
pressure.
no. I'm sorry, Chris. Whew.
A little.
Okay, we'll make Jade do it.
He's gonna have high blood pressure when he gets older.
Funny, he already has it.
We started a new thing.
Dude, we're making
See how many
everyone
people
rev.
can rev it.
It's not my fault I do it as like a stage 12 clutch in a Honda Civic, so you have to chuck the tires. It's not my fault. Hey,
Jade,
rev your eco
Jade,
boost.
rev it.
Rev it.
You have
Rev
to.
it.
You have
Come
to.
on, everyone's doing it.
You
Rev
have
it.
to do it.
Rev it.
Rev it. She's gay. It's okay.
She had to put it back in drive.
She had to put her automatic in drive. All right, I'm ending this skid. No more revving.
We'll be back shortly.
Yeah. I feel like someone's gonna do a burnout.
I hope so.
Yeah. Hopefully I don't get it on video. And it won't be my fault, so.
Hello.
King making an appearance. Oh, that's cold. Yeah, we're good? Lit. Oh, is he sniffing me? What is he doing? Is he gonna roll off? No, we're good? Okay. He's kind of heavy. Hello.
Nice friend.
You didn't rev it.
I know.
We had like 9 cars revving. What are you looking at? Are you enjoying the car meet? Yeah? That's nice.
That's average.
Hi, Eric.
I like your snake.
Oh, thank you. It's not mine, it's hers, but I'm borrowing it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Lang! Lang!
Hey, Lang.
Yeah, it's here. It's over there. You parked on me over there.
I got a snake.
Oh!
Oh my god, holy shit, I didn't even know this was on your neck. Oh my
What mod is that?
How much horsepower does it give you?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
How do you feel about your girlfriend?
Be going like that with it.
I got it again! We're just gonna record Jen the entire time. This is gonna be Car Geeks featuring Jen, Kim, and Alexis. The fuck do I zoom in? Do I gotta do this shit? I gotta do this.
Oh, Robert. Oh, that's wrong. Oh my god. So many nuts.
Guys, it's people we know. Truck.
Let's go in. It's okay. Yeah. SQ5. Slammed.
Oh, I might. Whoa. I might take that eco. I might take that eco.
Yeah, it's clean.
It's loud.
Alright guys, so that's it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed it.
That's it? Where you're leaving?
No, you just ended
Yeah, I
the
was
video.
planning on leaving.
Where are you
Sorry.
going?
We don't care about the rest battle.
Where are you going? Oh, we're not.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a fun car meet. I enjoyed this one.
Yeah.
Thank you for everything. Say thank you, Nick.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Jake.
No problem.
I want you to put that.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Nice.